Mix salt with dishwashing detergent, and you won't believe the result. I never imagined that mixing these two ingredients could make it happen. And for that, we'll need some dishwashing detergent, the essence of the brand. That's entirely up to you. So, pour a cup of detergent into a large container. Once that's done, we'll need salt, just the ordinary salt we use in the kitchen. Then we'll add 2 generous tablespoons and mix well. Now let's use the baking soda. Add just 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix a little more. And to finish, let's add a cup of water. Just tap water at room temperature, then mix one last time. And guys, I never thought that mixing these ingredients could do that. I was surprised by the results, so I had to share it with you. So you too can take advantage of this and save a lot of money after mixing. Well, our tip is ready. Now what we need to do is transfer all our mixture into an empty container. I'm going to use this bottle of dishwashing detergent that I have at home, and I imagine you're curious to know what it's for. What we've just prepared is one of the best homemade aluminum cleaners and polishes available. That's right. You'll use our product to clean and shine all types of aluminum in your home, especially pans. Take a look at this pan. It's badly burnt and crusted with grease, and normally when this happens, people throw the pans away. But you don't have to do that. Just take our mixture and pour it directly onto the burnt pan. Then simply scrub it with a sponge. There's no need to use steel wool or scrub too hard. As our product is quite powerful, you can use it on cutlery, stainless steel items, aluminum parts, the sink basin, and even some of your household appliances. What's more, its cleaning provides an incredible shine. See how all the dirt and burnt-on stains come off without much effort. And all this using cheap ingredients that we all have at home. An extremely cheap and very useful product. It will certainly make your pans look as good as new, as if they were in the store. Even your guests will be impressed by the shine of your pans and ask you what your secret is. Look at the result. It's incredible. So don't forget to try this wonderful tip at home. You're sure to love the result. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.